Let me go ahead and open the box and see what we have inside. Here is the user manual. Here is the user manual. Let's check all the attachments. Let's check all the attachments. This is extendable. This is the extension part. You see. You can extend it from here, however you like. Okay. Charging adapter. Some of the heads. There you go. Neden yoluna ya? LED lights. We have additional wheels here. Here is the battery. Here we have the cleaning brush and filters. You can hang it on the wall. Basically, you can just put the cordless. Basically, you can hang it on the wall and put the additional parts here. You can put the vacuum cleaner right there. And here is the vacuum cleaner. Alrighty, let's put the battery in right here. Now it has 60% charge. This is touch button. Level 1, level 2, and this is level 3. Alrighty, it has strong suction. it has very strong. It has very strong suction. Okay, it has a very strong suction. Let's see it.